Excuse me, are you associated with this?
Yeah, I'm a witness.
Can you walk over there, please?
No, you were just a bystander.
You can either stand over there or you can be arrested for hindering police and execution of their duty. One of the two. You've got nothing to do with this, move over there.
I'm not, okay, I just stand here.
No, you can move right over there. Where those chairs are.
No.
You'll be still taking it off.
After you give me a ticket.
No, the sign's coming off now.
Sign come on now, right?
As an
okay.
exhibit. Take the sign off. As an exhibit.
No, you.
No, we're taking the
No,
sign.
you cannot take my sign.
Yes, we can.
We're taking the sign.
You cannot take my
we take
sign.
the sign.
You cannot take my sign.
Yes, we can.
No,
This
we
is my
can't.
sign.
We're charging
You
you.
cannot take my sign. You cannot take my sign. You cannot take my sign. Please help. Please.
No,
Stop
no,
resisting.
my
Stop
sign.
resisting,
No,
You
Danny.
cannot take my sign.
Move away.
Get
Move
back.
away. Move away now.
You cannot take my sign. You cannot take my sign. You cannot take my sign.
That one's on.
You cannot take my sign. No help. You cannot take my sign.
Do you want to get him on the ground?
No. This is my fault.
Put it on.
It's not good.
Move away now or you'll be joining them.
Help me.
You have to
Help. Help.
put him in.
Put him down.
No, that's right. That's right.
No?
Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down.
Help me.
Yeah.
Got it. I got
I got my dog. Help. Help.
it. Nice. All right. It's all.
Yes, my dog. My dog.
That's right. Yep.
No, my dog.
No, we'll take care of the dog. How many? What's that?
What's going to happen with his dog? What he did?
Well, we'll take care of his dog.
Yeah, but
He-
what he did?
What? Okay, he's been placed under arrest. What he's done has got nothing to do with you at the moment.
Yes.
Okay, you can leave.
No, but it's not us, mate. It's everybody. I want to know what he did.
Okay, he's been arrested for the fact that he has an offensive sign on, which there was complaints.
Offensive sign?
Yes.
People laugh at that every day.
Okay, I'm not here to argue or ask for a committee vote. He's been placed under arrest because he resisted police. He's now under arrest.
That was not offensive
No one-
sign.
No wonder he was resisting arrest. Unbelievable.
That's ridiculous. That's disgusting.
That's nice. Go away. What's that? What?
What's offensive sign?
Where are his shoes? Can I come with you?
Over there.
Sorry?
We called the ambulance. It's on its way. Oh, people are so feet. Yes, I'm saying on the camera.
Yeah, I said,
No, they're all the social justice play, you idiots. Oh my god, that police are
Did you give
based.
my keys back?
yeah. It's
Police
on your,
brutality.
on your thing. Oh, must be.
It comes down to if he didn't start carrying on the way he was carrying on, he wouldn't have been in handcuffs anyway.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys,